I mean, it's... Hello everyone, my name is the Bird Boy. Today, bringing you an episode of Happy Wheels. I haven't played this in a long time. It hasn't really been working, you know. So, yeah, let's get to it. Part removal V.1 by rate 5 for V2.2. Jeez. Oh, this is a don't move. My God. So... That was my grandpa! Insert Artie. That was pretty nice, bro. Oh, anything else? Nope, okay. Slow Motion by Happy Drive 91. If the end comes, you see a exploding head. I don't know what that means. Oh God, that did not turn out well. You ready for this? There's no way. Screw it. Screw it. Join the party works. Blocks row X dude. By blocks row X dude. Just do what you want and yeah. Okay. Okay. PewDiePie by Diogo Castro 02. Hi. PewDiePie. Someone doesn't know how to spell PewDiePie. Really? My God. Family Adventure by Very Peaceful. This is an adventure for Daddy and his son, Justin Bieber. Please enjoy. I will enjoy.
But, Dad, I got a question. Oh!
Yes. What is it, son?
Can I go to the park?
No! What do I do now? I got this. Drive! Oh, that sucks. You know what? I'm gonna go rating. Angry Glass Break by Santa Closet. It's all in the name. Just a level to have fun and enjoy.
Hey, Dad, glass. Dad, you're bleeding a little bit.
Son, take some notes and,
But, Dad,
I don't want to hear another word out of your mouth. See? You see that? Even the sign agrees with me. You're just crap.
oh,
I think you finally stopped talking.
no, I didn't.
Oh, God!
Dad, Dad, you okay? Oh,
I'm angry now. Neon Impossible Pogo by The Epic Zombie. Toby, this level is for Griffin. Huh? Why not for Toby? Huh? Oh, okay. 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 Dang it! Ready? Oh, why? Oh, crap. My God, it's just... Okay. My God. You ready? Go. Oh. My God. My God.
Damn it! Ah!
Go. Go.
Oh no! Ah!
Butt scoot. Butt scoot. Oh no, I think I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck.
Damn it! Ah!
Okay. I can't do it. I can't do it. PewDiePie versus Toby. By Epic Assassin and then SB Revolution. I would, you know what? You know what? You know what? I did both. Fair enough, fair enough. Launch Yourself by Duran Aquan, whatever that says. The Flying Irresponsible Dad.
Damn it!
Okay. Oh,
Oh God!
I got super. Let's do that again.
Damn it! Ah!
Chuck Norris. Got this. Bye, son.
Damn it!
Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, that was an epic fail. If I get hit, I'm kissing my son's butt. Look at him kissing his butt. That's not right. That is just not right. Okay. So I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to become a part of everyone in the Everyone Army, or subscribe to become a part of Creeper in the Creeper Army, which are on the same page. Down below, tell me how I did. And as always, have a good day.